Wala akong edge no kahit saan.
2 months na ako, wala ka pa sa mundo. Adi dirty.
But, kilometer na ako eh.
Today, LSD.
Wala
Let's
namang
go.
intro.
Ano yan? Lap 1, 8:07. 2 kilometers, 8:16. Just good. 3 kilometers, 8:27. 4 kilometers, ito yung pace. Hindi ko makita. 8:20. CGC kami. What's up? Blurry na. 6 kilometers, 8:22. Nabiliwanag, di ba? Medyo malabo lang kanina yung
Still nasa zone 2 and zone 3.
8:26. Let's go!
Zone 2, still zone 2.
Still at zone 2. 8:52.
Kaya very easy. Sa mga easy run.
9 kilometers.
9 kilometers.
8:35. 10 kilometers. 8:42. Let's go. 11 kilometers. 8:39. 8:39. Let's go. 9:09. 12 kilometers. Pataas ang aming pacing. Kasi i-maintain namin yung heart rate. Mababang heart rate na lang dapat. 13 kilometers. 8:49.
Hindi in-expect na tatagal tayo ng ganito.
Almost ano na tayo? 1 hour 50 minutes of running. 14 kilometers, 8:28. Sorry. 8:28. Let's go. Let's go. Kayang-kaya pa. 14 kilometers. 15 kilometers done.
Perfect.
It's a good, easy run, zone 2 run, aerobic run.
Saka controlled pacing, yun yung important.
8:27 yung last pace namin. Ayan o. Pok. So, controlled lahat yung 15 kilometers run namin. 2 hours and 8 minutes. Pero good
And yung
running.
important, walang car jump, drifting na mo. Lahat
Yup.
tayo, laging nasa zone 2 lang.
Consistent zone 2. Woo! Post static stretch tayo. Then let's call it a day.